North Korea has lashed out at the United States over its plan to build a cutting edge missile defense system called the Golden Dome. In a scathing statement released on Monday, Pyongyang warned that the plan could turn outer space into a potential nuclear war field. The Golden Dome is a high tech missile shield backed by President Donald Trump, and it's expected to be unveiled before the end of his current term in office. Its goal is to counter what the US calls next generation aerial threats, including ballistic and cruise missiles. But North Korea's foreign ministry, as reported by state media, slammed the plan as a height of self righteousness and arrogance. The ministry accused Washington of being hell bent on militarizing outer space and said the US was risking a global nuclear and space arms race. The rhetoric is sharp but unsurprising. North Korea considers the US a long standing adversary. It regularly denounces joint US South Korea military exercises and views any move to strengthen US defense capabilities as a threat to its own. Experts say Pyongyang likely sees the Golden Dome as a direct challenge to its nuclear arsenal. This comes in the backdrop of North Korea's recent weapons developments. In 2022, it passed a law formally declaring itself a nuclear weapons state, and since then, it has conducted multiple missile tests. Earlier this year, it claimed to have successfully launched a new intermediate range ballistic missile fitted with a hypersonic warhead. The North said this weapon was designed to reliably contain any rivals in the Pacific region. North Korea is not alone in voicing concern over the Golden Dome. China has also joined the chorus of criticism. Just last week, Beijing said it was seriously concerned about the US plan. It argued the project had strong offensive implications and warned that it violated the global principle of mutual security. In a statement, China's foreign ministry said the US was pursuing a US first strategy, seeking absolute security for itself at the cost of global stability. Analysts say an upgrade to America's existing missile defense system is indeed overdue, but the Golden Dome won't be easy to build. There are political and technical hurdles and huge financial costs. An initial $25 billion has been earmarked in a new US budget bill, but experts estimate the total cost could reach 20 times that figure over the coming decades. As the Golden Dome project moves ahead, it's facing stiff opposition from adversaries and skepticism from experts alike. Whether it becomes a shield of safety or a trigger for a dangerous new arms race, the world will be watching closely.